Hello, in front of me I have MYKRONOZ ZeTime, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the silent mode on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen. To do it, press the bottom button. Then swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And here we have this speaker icon. That's the sound mode icon, and we can tap on it to change the sound mode, like this. And we can keep tapping on it to cycle between the modes. Oh, my bad. Like that. And we have sound, vibration, silent mode, and sound and vibration. Like you saw, to enable the silent mode, simply keep tapping until you find this crossed out node icon. And now the silent mode is enabled. And to disable it, simply tap on the icon again to change the mode to the one you like to use now. And that's how you enable the silent mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.